In this video, let us see how to get the free domain without any credit card or debit card. And you consider this is the domain that I have got, and let me show you how to get the same domain for you as well. So to get the free domain, open up your browser and in the search tab, just type DigitalPlat free domain. Consider this is the website. Open up the first link, that is GitHub. Here, what they are doing is they are providing the free domain for everyone. Why they are doing this? Because they are creating an open space where everyone can have their own online space. So these are the domains that they are currently having. So they are trying to expand more. So if you want to claim the free domain, just click on the link there. Consider this is the website, DigitalPlat free domain. Here, it will redirect to the login page. Here in this login page, if you don't have the account, you'll have to click on create an account. And here you need to register your account. Enter up your username, email ID, full name and password. So once you have typed everything, below that provide your address as well. So finally, let me click on register now. It will send an OTP to your provider email address. So let me go into my email and let me copy and paste the OTP code here and click on verify code. So once you have verified your account, then you can log in. So let me log in using the same credentials that I have provided. So once you have logged in, the dashboard will look like this. Here you can see that you need to provide the KYC method. So let me select the GitHub OAuth. So let me sign in using GitHub and let me select my GitHub account here. So I will select my secondary account, not primary account, and let me authorize this app. So once you have authorized that one, then it will redirect to this settings page here where you can update your profile information there. But let me go to the dashboard. Here you can see they are providing the one free slot for everyone. If you want to have an extra domain, then you need to go to the GitHub profile and start it. So this is extra stuff that you can do later on. So if you go to the domain list, after you have bought all your domains, it will show over here. But if you want to get the new domain, on the left hand side, you have your option called the register. So make sure you click on the register option, and this is the register page. You consider we have currently one free slot, and make sure you read all the agreements over here that they have provided, privacy policy, terms and condition, all the agreements. So once you have read all those ones, then click on this checkbox here, and then let me type conversion KP. You consider, let me click on check availability. Currently .us.uk is a paid slot. So if you want to go with this option, you can, this is a paid one, but there is another free option as well. So what I will do is I will change the domain. So you consider I have switched to the second option. Then I'm going to click on check availability. You consider this one is available. So I'm going to use this one and click on register. So this will take one free slot. So click on OK. You consider we have successfully got our free domain over here, combinationkp.dpdns.org. So currently they will not provide any DNS. So we will have to get our own DNS provider. So to get the own DNS provider, we can use Cloudflare. But if you look at the information over here, you consider the registration date is May 27 and the expiration date is May 27, but it is on the next year. So let me show you how to use this domain actually. I have actually deployed one application on the Vessel platform. Let me go to the Vessel. You can see the application. So let me go inside that one. And here, let me go to domains option and I'm going to click on add an existing domain. And we need to provide it in URL over here. Let me go to that DigitalPlat and let me copy the domain and paste the domain over here. So make sure you select the environment to production and click on save. Here we need to verify our domain that this domain is actually belong to us. For that we need to add these two records, right? But actually if you go to the DigitalPlat, there is no option to enter any records, a records or type record. First you need to have the DNS provider. So next, let me show you how to get the DNS provider as well. So the DNS provider in this case can be anything. So one of the DNS provider that you can use is this Cloudflare. Here, make sure you go to the website and log in using your Gmail account. So let me select my Gmail account over here. So let me quickly fill this information over here. So what I will do is I will skip here. So you consider this is the dashboard. What you can do is you can go to the domain section and click on overview. You consider currently we don't have any domain. So just click on add a domain. You consider you can either connect a domain or you can transfer your domain or you can buy a domain on the Cloudflare. So we will now connect the domain. So click on connect the domain. Here we need to enter the domain name. So let me go to the DigitalPlat and copy the domain name here and paste the domain name over here and click on continue. So after that it will redirect to this page. Here select the free plan. So we don't want to go to the premium plan. Here we consider it is reviewing our DNS record. Currently we don't have any DNS record. That's why we choose the Cloudflare, right? So just scroll bottom and click on continue to activation. So once you have activated, then you can directly add the DNS record in the Cloudflare. It will automatically reflect that in your domain. So that's why we are using the Cloudflare. Basically, Cloudflare is a proxy site. So click on continue to activation. You can say we can add repas later once you have verified our domain. Here we need to add these name servers. So let me copy the name server and we can add this in the DigitalPlat. So let me copy the first one and let me go here and paste it here, and let's also enter the second namespace as well. So let me copy this name server and let's also enter the second name server over here, and finally click on update name server. So it will take at least 1 day to reflect the name servers. So let me go to the Cloudflare website and scroll bottom. You can click on updated main name servers. Here you can see it is reviewing our Cloudflare domain. So it will take at least 1 day. So once you have verified your domain over here in this, then you can easily add the all the records on this. So when I click on the check your name server, you can see that Cloudflare is checking the name servers. So it will take 1 day, 24 hours. So once you have done that, then you can go to the DNS section here. So what you can do is you can go to the DNS and then you can add your DNS records over here. It will be reflected directly in your domain. So yeah, this is how you get the free domain without any credit card or debit card. So if you found this video helpful, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you will get more videos like this. So this is for this video and I will continue in the next one.